Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Decor. In this channel, you will see some awesome, fancy, and outstanding decoration ideas for your home. So before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe my channel and watch all my previous videos. Thank you. So in this video, I have bring you some simple, beautiful bedsheet designs for your home, and hopefully everyone will love these designs. These glamorous bedsheet designs are very unique and outstanding. All my viewers are going to love these designs. So that's it for today. I will be back with the new decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest videos. Stay connected with us. Thank you. Goodbye friends. Take good care of yourself and family members. Allah Hafiz.